Here I have a HUAWEI P Smart 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, open your phone, then go to contacts, select the contact which you want to add a photo, then tap edit, and then tap on the camera icon to add photo for it. Then you have the option to take photo or to choose it from the gallery. Select our photo, adjust it here, and then just tap here to confirm it. And as you can see, photo added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.